All right. I'm Vincent White. I'm an employment attorney, and we are doing rapid fire mask questions. Next question. I work in retail, and my employer wants me to enforce these new mask laws. This isn't what I originally signed up for. I'm just a greeter, and I now fear for my safety in the confrontations I'm having with customers. What are my options? That's a toughie. So let's start off with the easy stuff. So if you have a disability, let's say you have a disability that makes you unsafe or at risk to COVID, and so you don't want to interact with people who don't have masks on. Great. There's a lot that employment attorneys can do to help you there. There's a whole bunch. You should definitely call right away. There's a number of different accommodations your doctor may suggest that we can help enforce. Then we're going to look at disabilities that tie to conflict, right? If let's put it this way: when I was a kid, I used to get stuck doing credit card denials at Circuit City. I did a bunch of credit card denials on Christmas Eve once, and that is ugly. That is an ugly experience, right? And it's a high conflict experience. And some people have disabilities that make conflict really difficult for them. Speak to your mental health professional or your primary caregiver and see if you need accommodations along that line. There's something you can do there. Now, I made another video about what to do if you've been assaulted by a customer because you were trying to get them to wear a mask. And that's, you can click the other video on our channel for that. But essentially, you need to call the police right away, get a police report if they assault you. And if things are really heating up, I think you're going to have to talk to your workplace, your manager, and just have a conversation about safety and what you're, just frankly not being paid enough to deal with, right? I mean, you're not getting paid security wages. You're not I assume, I don't know, you're not getting paid to fight with people, right? It'd be hard to pay someone enough to act as a bouncer for a retail location. It just wouldn't be realistic, right? You're not armed. You're probably not trained. It's a lot. So at that point, there's just going to be practical issues where you might not be able to do this job, that they're asking too much of you, right? And in those situations, there may or may not be things that we can do to help you, but it's free to call us. If we can try to help, we will. And I say that not just our firm, but I would hope all employment firms would try to help. But again, the easiest path is going to be with these disabilities. If we can get you an accommodation that will get you some protections, well, then there's a whole bunch of leverage for us to work with. Stay safe out there.